beautiful out. I love it.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go.
Oh, look at the beautiful sunrise.
Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
Oh, my fingers are frozen.
Yeah, mine are too. I don't think we've ever ridden when it's this cold before, have we?
Oh, no.
What is this? This is Monday, April 24th, and we are on the Virginia Creeper Trail. It's about 34 miles one way, and we're gonna do both ways, so it'll be 68 miles total.
Wait. You said I will be riding round trip 64. Where's the additional 4 mile come from?
Maybe going into towns to have coffee and tea.
Okay, that made up for it. Thank you.
That's right. Although you didn't bring your panniers, so we can't buy souvenirs.
But you have two. I pack really good. I like Tetris, so I know how to do it.
All right. Sounds good.
Oh my gosh, look at the beautiful farm
Yeah.
to the right. Hello, cows. Good morning.
This is nice so far. Nice little crushed stone. Kind of reminds me of the rail trails we took from Baltimore on up to York, Pennsylvania.
Yes.
Corey C. Brown and.
Oh, that was a beautiful trail too. I
Yeah.
love that one.
Yeah, but for this trail, we're gonna have 1,500 foot elevation gain, something like that. We had some tough elevation gains when we were in Colorado at the.
You mean I walk up all the elevation gain at Dillon Reservoir?
Dillon Reservoirs, right? Swan Mountain. Yeah.
That evil Swan Mountain for my birthday.
I don't know, the Rio Grande Trail kicked our butts too.
Oh gosh, I think
That
really
one-
it's the heat, because I think it's like one of their hottest summer ever there.
Yeah. See, Rio Grande was Carbondale to Aspen, I think it was.
Yes, it is.
So when you think of 80s horror movies like Nightmare on Elm Street, that was like Freddy Krueger, right?
Yes.
What else? You got Jason.
And Friday the 13th.
Yeah, I got a confession to make. Whenever I heard of the Virginia Creeper, it's what I thought of. You know what a Virginia Creeper actually is?
No.
It's a vine.
It's a vine?
It's a vine.
So some kind of plant?
Yes. So, not too scary, is it?
No. You know what? Whenever they say anything that had creeper word in it, it reminds me of the movie Jeepers Creepers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, I think that's a mile marker 2 we just passed.
Good. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? And please, somebody invent heated handlebars. My fingers are killing me.
Maybe we should look into that and patent it ourselves, huh?
Yeah.
Gosh, it's beautiful out here.
Yeah, that jacuzzi's gonna feel nice tonight.
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
We are all looking for adventure. 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 Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind and see the world is yours to find and know. With every passing day there's more calling you out to explore. Get up and go. There is joy found in the race, and I feel it in the place where I'm free. And I simply can't deny it that I feel adventure calling out to me.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Hey, here, stop.
You okay?
Look.
Oh, good eye. Oh, this one even better.
Hi.
Hi. How are you? Good afternoon.
You guys are going the right direction, going downhill.
We started.
No, I'm not happy. I haven't
Oh.
pedaled. I've just been on the brakes the whole trip.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've
we-
been.
Oh.
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
Okay. Kind of.
So you're going up.
Yeah, we're going up.
We're hoping that we have the energy to come back down because we got to go back to Abingdon.
Oh no, today yet?
Yeah.
Well, it gets a little steeper as you go up.
Yeah. Yeah. As long as we get up there and we can coast back.
So what is the Abingdon to Damascus? Is that a nice ride?
It's a nicer ride than this.
Yeah.
Right here, you have to dodge a lot of rocks, and it's a much nicer ride.
And bumps, especially when there's like a lot of shade. Sometimes you can't tell if it's like, is there a big pebble or?
Yeah.
I can't even. I'm vibrating so hard. I can't even focus
Yeah.
when I'm riding over.
Yeah. It does get better. It
Yes.
does get
I
better.
love your outfit.
Oh, thank you.
So,
My favorite color. Can you tell?
Yeah. That's so the rescue crew can spot the bodies easily.
Even with my bell. You guys have a wonderful trail ride.
We are all looking for adventure.
Good afternoon.
We are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for And I'm living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be. Living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be. I'm living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be free, meant to be free.
So we started out expecting to conquer the Virginia Creeper Trail, but I'm afraid that the Creeper Trail actually conquered us a bit.
A bit?
Yeah, we had some struggles there. I mean, it started out it was 33 degrees, so it was a bit chilly.
Yeah, our hands were frozen.
The hands were frozen, and the camera equipment wouldn't cooperate. And,
Battery died
the
quick.
batteries were dying quickly because it was so cold, and the trail was so rough that it broke the GoPro camera mount, and the vibrations was so great that I lost a couple of critical screws on the mount that I built for the Insta360.
How about we just put everything away and then just do the video when we get to the top?
Yeah, we don't have a choice. We just put all the camera stuff away and just tried to enjoy the rest of the ride to the best of our ability.
Yeah, so no video on that part of us riding back downhill.
Yeah, and part of the going up. All in all, we did majority of the trail, so maybe we'll call it a draw.
I'm okay with that.
All right, we'll call it a draw.
Bye.
And thanks to you, ladies and gentlemen, for inviting us into your homes this evening.